Hi, I'm Darren, and I'm sitting here with Nick Cooney, and we just got a question about how to add yourself to the account of your child on Canvas to become an observer. And these steps hopefully will show you how you can become an observer. If you want to see Cole Verico, he's right here watching me do this. Anyway, you will probably, the easiest way is to go to your browser and go to yscacademy.com.
Nah, it's fine. Let's do both of them solos. Right? Okay, then we'll have solo. We'll have them play.
And when you get here, you want to go up to this menu here. This is the hamburger menu right here. Click it, and you're going to have Canvas Login right here. So you're going to click Canvas Login, and you should get to something. And you're not going to use any of this because you're not me. But you're going to go up to this little small print right here. Parent of a Canvas user. Click that. This you sign up all by yourself. Your name, your email, password, re-enter your password. This is the only part where you need Nick or myself. And so this pairing code just is something that I or someone here gives to you so that they know it's legal for you to be observing your offspring. So if you email me for the pairing code, I can generate one for you. They only last for about 5 or 6 days, and then they no longer function. But once you've used it, then you are an observer for however long until we deactivate you. But that pairing code has a limited use time before you can no longer use it. So that's all you need to do. Hopefully that helps. And if you have any questions, you can email me at dburris@yscacademy.com. Hope that helped. Bye.